हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग गुड। माय नेम इज चैतन्य और आज हम देखने वाले एमसीक्यूज ऑन नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी पार्ट 4। ओके, सो बिना किसी टाइम पास किए चलो शुरू करते हैं। सो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ द टेम्पोरल की फॉर द केस ऑफ टेकी एपी? यस, एंड ऑप्शंस आर: ऑप्शन ए 64 बिट्स, ऑप्शन बी 128 बिट्स, ऑप्शन सी 256 बिट्स एंड ऑप्शन डी 512 बिट्स। सो व्हाट यू गेस? आंसर इज 256 bits. Okay, so let me see here. Yes. So the second question is, what is the valid size of the group temporal key GTK in WAP? Yes. So the options are: option A 40 bits, option B 128 bits, option C 512 bits, and option D 80 bits. So the correct answer is 40 bits. Now the third question is, which key in the PTK protects the confidentiality of keys and data during RSN associated procedure? Yes, options are: A EAPOL KCK, option B EAPOL KEK, option C TK, and option D all of the mentioned. Yes, this is the options, and the correct answer is option B EAPOL KEK. Now the next question is, what is the size of the message integrity code key? Yes, and options are: option A 64 bits, option B 128 bits, option C 256 bits, and option D 512 bits. Here are the options, and this is the correct answer of 64 bits. Yes, and the next question is, that is fifth question, which one of these is not a traffic control key? Okay, and options are: A GTK, option B TK, option C MIC key, and option D WEP key. Yes, and the correct option is option C MIC key. Okay, so the sixth question is, the MPTU exchange for distributing pairwise key is known as? Yes, option A 2-way handshake, option B 4-way handshake, option C 5-way handshake, and option number D 3-way handshake. Yes, now the correct answer is option B 4-way handshake. The seventh question is, GTK is encrypted using? Now the options are either RC4 or AES, option B DES, option C Rabin, and option number D ECC. Okay, and the correct option is option A either RC4 or AES. Okay, now the third slide, the eighth question is, message integrity code MIC is generated by an algorithm called? Okay, and options are: option A Susan, option B Michael, option C Barbara, and option D Regendale. Okay, these are the options. Now the correct answer is option number B Michael. Yes, the algorithm is generated by Michael. Now the ninth question is, CCMP uses which block cipher mode of operations? And here the options are: option A OFB, option B CFB, option C CTR, and option number D CBC. Yes, and the correct answer is option C, which is CTR. Now the 10th question is, in CCMP a 128-bit AES key is used for both integrity and confidentiality. The scheme uses a dash bit packet number to construct a nonce to prevent dash attacks. Okay, now the options are: option number A 48 replay, option number B 64 replay, option number C 48 transient, and option number D 64 transient. Okay, now here are the options, and the correct answer is option number A 48 relay. Okay, now the 11th question, what is it say let's we move? 11th question is, HMAC SHA-1 produces a hash of length. Okay, now the options are: option number A 180 bits, option number B 240 bits, option number C 160 bits, and option number D 40 bits. Okay, and the correct answer is option number C 160 bits. Yes, now the fourth slide, and the 12th question is, in the IEEE 802.11 PRF, a nonce is generated by the following expression. Okay, nonce is equal to PRF random number in it counter MAC time lane. Okay, what is the value of the lane? Here we have to define the value of the lane, desirable number of pseudo random bits. Okay, we have to give the number in the random bits, pseudo random bits. Okay, here are the options. Option number A 64 bits, option number A 64, option number B 128, option number C 256, and option number D 512. Now here the correct answer is 256. Now the 14th question is NOS is equal to PRF random number init counter MAC time lane. This is also the expression. Now here the question is, what is the key k in the above expression? We have to define here the key. What is the key? Okay. Now here are the options are option number A init counter, option number B random number, option number C PRF, and option number D time. Yes, and correct answer is option number C PRF. And 15th question is, what is lane? Desirable number of pseudo random bits. Yes, filled in the case of CCMP PTK computation. And here are the options. Option number A 256, option number B 384, option number C 568, and option number D 298. So this is the option, and correct answer is option number B 384. Sorry, this is the correct answer. Now moving towards the next slide. The question number 16 is, the message input to the IEEE 802.11 pseudo random function consists of 4 items concatenated together. Which of the following option is not a part of this message input? Okay, now let's see which is not part of this message input. Option number A the parameter B, option number B a byte with a value FF, and here in the bracket we have the how many times, here is the 8 time of 1. Okay, now in the next option is the parameter A, and last option is counter value I. Okay, and here is the options, and the correct answer is option number B a byte with the value of FF in bracket 8 time 1. Okay, now the 17th question is, a dash is a secret key shared by the AP and a STA and installed in some fashion outside the scope of IEEE 802.11i. Yes, this question is pretty different, and here now let's see the options. Option number A pre-shared key, option number B pairwise transition option number B pairwise transient key, option number C master session key, and option number D key confirmation key. Okay, so this is the options, and the correct answer is option number A pre-shared key. Now the 18th question is, the pairwise transient key PTK is derived from. Okay, here are the options. Option number A key confirmation key KCK, option number B temporal key TK, option number C pairwise master key PMK, and option number D pre-shared key PSK. Okay, and correct option, and the correct option from these options is option number C pairwise master key. Now the last two questions is remaining. Let's move. The 19th question is, the pairwise transient key PTK consists of dash keys. Okay, now we have to looking for the number of keys, that how much number of PTK consists of. Okay, how many keys, and options are option number A 3, option number B 4, option number C 5, and option number D 2. And this is the options, and the correct option is option number A 3. And the 20th question and the last question is, which hashing algorithm is used to derive the PTK for PMK? Okay, and options are option number A SHA-1, option number B SHA-2, option number C SHA-3, and option number D MD5. Okay, these are the options, and the correct answer is SHA-1. So here we are completing 20 questions. In the next video I will just complete another 20 questions. Okay, तब तक के लिए thank you.